guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a Jeulia Jewelry piece to show you. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so this just arrived and they did send this to me for review. So thank you so much, Jeulia Jewelry, for sending me one of your pieces to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So if you guys don't know, I absolutely love Jeulia Jewelry. For one, I have been wearing their jewelry for several years. For another, I always have their jewelry on me every single day and nothing has ever happened. Nothing has tarnished, nothing has got broke, nothing like that. So I absolutely love all of their amazing pieces. They take so much time and care into making everything. It's all sterling silver. So definitely, if you want to check them out, they will all be linked down below. They did actually give me a new code for Mother's Day coming up. If you hear that, sorry. I've got some thunder outside. But they did give me a new code for Mother's Day coming up. If you would like to use that discount, it's 15% off, and you can use Crafty 15. If you purchase 2 or more, you can use the code M20, like Mother's Day M20, and receive 20% off. So if you have one piece, Crafty 15 will save you 15. If you have 2 or more, it'll bump up to 20% off with M20. They will be linked down below. You can go to their site and check them out. Now, with this one, they actually got a hold of me and they asked if I wanted to review another piece. And since it's been a little bit of time, they wanted to give you guys something as well to do a giveaway. So what we decided for this Mother's Day now giveaway is, and that's what I chose as well. I went to their site and I chose from their bracelet line. So that's what you get to do as well. So in the description box below, there is a link to take you just to that bracelet link, and you get to go through and look at all of the bracelets, choose which one you would like, and then come back to my comments here and put in the item number to the one that you would like. I will get into all of the other rules in just a moment once I open this, but I do want to let you guys know that this is a giveaway for one of you guys as well, and it is a Mother's Day giveaway. You can use it for yourself or any mother in your life, and that's a great thing about Jeulia Jewelry is they actually ship internationally. So when they do a giveaway on my channel, they open it internationally. So that is super exciting that they do that. So if wherever you live internationally, you can definitely be a part of this giveaway, and I love that. So again, I will go over all the rules once I unbox this, but I want to show you what I chose from that bracelet line. So again, if you do like this one, and that's the beauty in this, if you actually like the one that I chose, you can choose the same one, and if you win, you will have the same one. So that's why I love to choose from what they are allowing you to choose from. So then if it's something that I got and you want, you actually can choose it as well. So again, this is from the bracelet line. So you already know that's going to be a bracelet. They do have their boxes like this, and it does have a mailer bag or a different box around it as it's shipped. They have super fast shipping, and I do believe over 100 it's free shipping. Yes, they have 30-day returns, free standard shipping of $99 or more. They offer 1-year warranties. All of their jewelry is $925 sterling silver. They have flexible financing and secure shopping. So again, they will be all linked down below, but let's go ahead and dive in and see which bracelet I got. So when you open the box, this is how it will come. They always have like their current brochure on the top. I love to sit down and look through this just because it shows their amazing jewelry pieces. So I definitely love to sit down and go through this little book. Again, they do change from time to time. So this one I haven't seen before, but it will have, like I said, some different stuff that you can look at, get some other ideas. And if you want to know the ring sizes, if you're interested in a ring for yourself or for somebody else, when they first got a hold of me, I didn't choose a ring. I think it was like a necklace or a bracelet or earrings. It was something other than a ring that needs to be sized. So then after I, was interacting with them and I saw on their website how they go up to their sizes. Now with their rings, you can select a size from a 3 all the way up to a 15 and all half sizes in between. So once I knew that, I was like, oh my gosh, so they'll fit my chunky donkey fingers? And so they definitely do. All of these are Jeulia. This is Jeulia Jewelry. If you know me, I love Nightmare Before Christmas. So as soon as they launched this watch, I was like, oh my gosh. I even have like a necklace, and is there earrings with that one? Or is it just the necklace? I have a Jack necklace too. So they have a little bit of everything. But these 2 rings are the newest ones that I got. One of them they had sent to me and one of them I paid for. Same with this moon phase. If you can kind of see the moon phase on my thumb. This is Jeulia Jewelry. These 2 are Jeulia Jewelry. This one here I paid for myself. This one was sent to me. This was sent to me. You have the Jack and it has like the stones all around it. I absolutely love it. These 2 earrings right here that dangle, these are Jeulia Jewelry. The only ones it's not are these 2 little tiny ones up here, but these 2 are theirs. So again, when I say I wear their jewelry every single day, I'm not lying, because I never take my earrings out. So even if I have my rings off at night, I'm still rocking their earrings. So again, I wear them every single day, and I am a firm, I'm a firm believer that their jewelry is absolutely amazing, and it's like a fraction of the cost. And who's gonna get that close to be like, that's not real? I'll be like, really? They are real stones, so they are. So let's go ahead and dive in. What you also get on top of the box, other than the brochure, you have a paper that says stop, drop and roll. No, not really, just stop. If you had something sized, there will be like a little tag on it. And this is basically stating to make sure that it does fit you 100% first before removing that tag. If you remove the tag, then you basically void the warranty in exchanging it if there's any issues. So make sure you keep the tag on it if it is a sizable product. They also give you a gift bag. So if this is for a gift, you take the box out and they have you covered. You literally drop it down inside of this bag. And then they also give you a cleaning cloth, which is inside of here. And then here is a card, a greeting card that you can write your own message and drop in there. If this is not for a gift, here's your cleaning cloth. Remember to at least take this out so you can use this to clean your jewelry, and then you won't really need to know, about the card or the bag. You can always save that for another time if you would like. But down inside of here is going to be the item, and I'm so excited. If you know and you follow me, you know how much butterflies mean to me. So I got a butterfly bracelet. This arm has all these butterflies, and I have another butterfly I'm gonna get right on the top of my hand. So I thought this would be perfect to wear on my right hand because this would match then with my butterflies. Look at how pretty. All of their stuff is just so sparkly and just beautiful. I don't clean my jewelry. Like even these, I've never cleaned them, and I've had them at least for a year. They're still nice and shiny and sparkly and look so beautiful. Let me get this a little untangled here. And I love that the bracelets are all adjustable. So I thought this would be a great category for you guys to choose from, so you're not having to size anything, know somebody's size. You can just grab a bracelet and then it would just be adjustable to fit any wrist. So these little dangles will hang, and that is how it is. You just pull this up and down to make it tighter or looser. And then it does have like these little tiny things right here, just a little touch on both sides of the butterfly. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's get it on this hand. That is just so pretty. It's just so dainty and just so simple, but it's just so pretty. That is beautiful. I love it so much. And again, since I said like this is my arm that has all the butterflies on it, this would be perfect to go on this arm. So this is just gorgeous. So I'm gonna give you a little bit more information about Jeulia Jewelry and how they basically take care of their stones and all of that. So if you would like to know a little bit more about the company, then here you go. Again, the ring sizes go from 3 to 15 and all half sizes in between. The Jeulia stone is an excellent alternative to natural gemstones because it is more scratch resistant for everyday wear. Unlike natural gemstones that are mined from the earth using large machinery, explosives, and unsafe working conditions, the Jeulia stone was developed to be more durable with better optical characteristics than of a diamond while maintaining an ethical standard to protect our environment. So they have a little graph on their website and it says Jeulia stone versus a mined diamond. Looks like a diamond? Check. Check. Durable? Check. Check. Hardness is a 9 for a Jeulia and a 10 for a mined diamond. Density is 5.70 for a Jeulia, 3.52 for a mined diamond. 100% ethically sourced is only for a Jeulia. Potential harmful mining is only for a mined diamond, and you will save a lot of money with the Jeulia stones. Measuring an impressive 9 out of a possible 10 on the scale of mineral hardness, with proper care and cleaning, your Jeulia stone can be treasured for a lifetime. Our proprietary stone is hand cut and fastened in-house to shine brilliantly and provide a beautiful sparkle with bright, vibrant color. It can also be curated in colorless form, which we use in our jewelry to stimulate the amazing fire and brilliance of a natural diamond. We are confident that you will not find a better alternative in the market that shares the same quality and affordability as our Jeulia stone. Our commitment is to avoid putting more strain on our natural resources with providing gemstones that are 100% traceable. Again, they have 30-day returns, free standard shipping of $99 or higher, 1-year warranty, 925 sterling silver jewelry, flexible financing, and secure shopping. They will all be linked down below. You can definitely go and check them out. But oh my gosh, this is just so beautiful. It's just so dainty. It's just so simple, but it's just so beautiful. I absolutely love that. So let's go ahead and talk about the giveaway and all of the rules. Number 1, I do want to say before I forget, there are so many different scammers out there going on trying to get your guys' information on giveaways. That's why I don't put anything in my title or my thumbnail saying anything about a giveaway, to keep those people away from my videos at all possible. So if for some reason they were to find that this has a giveaway in it and anybody comes to you with my name, even my channel logo, but it says something about Telegram or Telegram me and having you send them information, do not do it. Don't reply to them. Don't interact to them. You can just report them if you want. But I will then comment back to you, only me, my channel name, and this is exactly what I will say if you are winners. So just so I can say that, first and foremost, just be careful. I do not want any of your information being in the wrong hands. So just be careful. So all of the rules. This is definitely open internationally thanks to Jeulia Jewelry. So this is open internationally and it will run for 1 week. The rules are you must be subscribed to my channel. That's why I do what I do, to give back to those that are here actively supporting me on my channel. I want to say thank you. So definitely be subscribed. If you're not, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can enter into this giveaway and all my other future giveaways. So be subscribed. Number 2, give this video a big thumbs up. Number 3, you must be over the age of 18. You can live anywhere, but you must be over the age of 18 so we communicate with an adult. If you are not, then have a parent, legal guardian, somebody over the age of 18 to enter in for you. So that's the main simple rules. Be subscribed, like this video, and be over the age of 18, and you can be internationally. So that's awesome. So what you got to do is follow the link in my description box to go to the giveaway link. It'll say giveaway link. That one will take you to the page with all of their bracelets. So stay on that page if you want to venture out after you choose and look at all of their other amazing pieces that they have. The rings, they have anklets, they have bracelets, necklaces, earrings, they have watches, they have sunglasses, they have jewelry boxes. They have so many amazing things. So if you want to check that out, definitely you can. Just stay on that one page to select the item first. So go through all of the bracelets, choose which one you would like for yourself or for another, and then come back here and write in the comments, sharing is caring, item number, and whatever item number that is that you would prefer. So if the random comment picker at the end of the week chooses you, then I know which one it is. Make sure that's part of the giveaway. Make sure you're subscribed to me. And also, if you could please follow them on Instagram. If you do have an Instagram account, I will put their Instagram down below as well. That's where you'll be able to see all their new releases. And then you can, like I said, stay up to date to everything if you do follow them on their Instagram. So that will be linked down below as well if you could kindly follow them on their Instagram. So again, after the week, I will have a random comment picker, go through all of the comments that say sharing is caring, and then I will comment back to your comment saying what I said I would say right here. I will comment back to your comment saying you are the current winner. You have 48 hours to contact me back. If you do not contact me back within 48 hours, I will use the random comment picker to choose a new winner. The new winner will have the same rules, so on and so forth until I get a confirmed win. Down below in the description box, we'll have all of the official rules, the official end date, all of that if there's any question. And when this is over, it will say congratulations to so-and-so, and it'll say has 48 hours to confirm, or it will say confirmed. If it says has 48 hours to confirm, hold tight. I might have to choose a new winner. The new winner might be you, but I definitely do giveaways on my channel as much as I can. Again, to show my appreciation, to say thank you to you guys for being here and watching my videos. I appreciate it so, so much. So that is all, simple and easy. Be subscribed, like, comment what I said to comment down below, and follow them on Instagram. Be over the age of 18. You can live anywhere, and that is pretty much it. Be subscribed. So again, comment down below. Let me know, what do you think of the bracelet that I chose today? What do you think of Jeulia Jewelry? Again, I absolutely love everything that they have. I have never been disappointed, and you won't either. You'd pay fraction of the cost. You have amazing, amazing stones and all of that. So definitely check them out if you would like. And then right now, Crafty 15 will get you that 15% off, or 2 or more items will get you 20% off with the M20. So comment down below and let me know, what do you think of the butterfly? Are you surprised that I picked the butterfly? Did you guess that I was gonna pick the butterfly? Let me know down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out. What was that? Crafty crew, out.